Hi, what's up? Welcome back again to my channel. This is Alex Balingit of Trading Circle, and sa video na to, isa sa mga questions. Since I'm a college student right now as of recording this video, let's talk about, can students be a forex trader? So senior high school po ako nung nag-start ako ng forex trading, and you know what? Doon nabasag yung paniniwala ko na you are never too young to make a difference. And you are never too old to chase your dreams. And ito pa, tingnan nyo si Luke. Throwback to beginner days. Well, we never know unless we never quit. Wala nang mahabang caption. Ito na mismo yung inspiring message. I can, you can too. So he is from Bulacan, and right now he is a college student like me. Estudyante lang siya. Ngayon, coach na rin niya ng Trading Circle. Ito nga pala, papapanood ko sa inyo yung isang video ng sobrang manghang-mangha ako. Estudyante ko to ng Trading Circle. Grade 6 student siya. Nag-enroll siya sa Trading Circle. And ito yung